In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best pillow pod discount codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you'll have to search for pillow pod discount code. Right here, go to this website which is called withrift.com and open it. As you can see right here, we have some promo codes that we can use in order to get a discount. For example, if you want to get this 15% discount right here, all you need to do is select copy code, and this is the promo code that you can copy from right here. And you can apply this promo code on your next purchase in order to get this 15% discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, if you scroll down a little bit, you should be able to find this website, which is called simplycodes.com, and you'll have to open it. Right here, we also have some promo codes that we can use to get a discount. For example, we have available this one with $10 of discount. To get this promo code, simply select copy code from right here. And this is your promo code that you can copy right here. And you can apply this promo code on your next purchase in order to get a discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.